What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Together we are going to go through the Bitcoin storage. Once you buy Bitcoin, understand this. Do not store your Bitcoins on exchanges. Here is a quote or comment that Jordan Tuwina, the founder of Buy Bitcoin Worldwide. I've been buying Bitcoins for more than 3 years. I've never lost any money to scams or thieves. Follow the guidelines in this article, and you'll be able to do the same. Here are two examples where users got screwed by leaving Bitcoins with a third party. Bitfinex hack where users lost 70 million, and Mt. where users lost 450 million or more. And there are many more I could list. Make sure you get yourself a Bitcoin wallet that will securely store your Bitcoin. Following these basic principles should help you avoid theft, scams, and any other loss of funds. Do research before buying on any exchanges. Check reviews, ratings, and regulation information. Don't store coins on the exchange. Already mentioned above, but worth repeating. The wallets below are great options for storing your Bitcoin securely. Ledger Nano S, Trezor, and KeepKey. These are some wallets that you can keep your Bitcoins in. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the WizCode website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. And thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to secure your own Bitcoins.